Abby. And
Di na tayo maaari.
Lagi niya sinasabi, naging sorry siya, sabi niya, sorry, mahal, wala akong ambag sa mga ginagawa ko. Sabi ko, no. Kasi nakikita niya ako lahat, nag-asikaso, ganyan. Tapos nag-DIY ako. Sabi ko, hindi. Sabi ko, basta magbigay ka lang ng pera.
Yan tayo.
Oo, sabi ko, yun ang ambag mo.
Marana pagkur.
before I met him, I remember praying to God that, cut, direct cut.
Paging mata mo'y sumaakin na panaagan aking damdamin. Di man ipahalata bawat hangin mong buga ang kapanatagan ko. Ibang nais ay ninagin, ikaw iyagang siyang aakapin. Sa'yo tumutugma, isip at kaluluwa, sa maingay naman ko. Walang ibang nais ay ninagin, ikaw iyagang siyang aakapin. Sa'yo tumutugma, isip ko't kaluluwa, sa maingay na mundo, ikaw ang pahinga. Di na tayo maaari pang hayaan.
Welcome na lang siya sa family na para bang ikakasal na agad.
And ano ba, yun, I'm so grateful, especially dun sa mga pamangkin. Kasi wala pa kasi kaming baby. So, sobrang happy namin mag-asawa whenever we treat the kids, yung mga ganon. Big adjustment kasi I've been alone for 5 years. Tapos biglang isang buong malaking pamilya na nawala ako. Alam mo, gagawin ko lahat para sa iyo. Huwag mong kalimutan, dito lang ako.
Thank you. Alam ko lahat ng hirap mo, ma. Alam ko lahat. Simula nang nawala si tatay. At lahat yun na-appreciate ko. My father will not be physically here, but I know deep inside my heart, he is watching, staring at me, wearing a smile on his face.
Maraming salamat dahil hindi kayo nagsasawang suportahan kami. Lagi kayong nandiyan. Sobrang salamat sa Diyos na kayo yung naging magulang ko.
Through ups and downs, God be with us. Yung Diyos ang nangahawak sa atin.
There were moments when loving me was not easy. Moments when you could have walked away. But you didn't. You chose us. You chose me. Nagkaroon ako ng na-hospitalize ako, inoperahan ako, tinubuhan ako sa baga. Sa lahat ng yun, andun pa rin siya. Hindi ako iniiwan.
I used to be that girl who had it all figured out on her own and thought, yeah, this is enough. I celebrated alone, cried alone, and made peace with the idea that maybe nobody was ever gonna choose me. Then you showed up. No grand gesture, no movie moment, you just kept showing up.
We were part of the same story before we ever said hello. Grabe, sobrang nakakagulat kasi for the whole week, talagang madilim yung panahon. So, yun, lumiwanag para dito sa araw na to. Salamat sa Diyos.
Being alone for 6 years, I've been holding everything alone. Kaya nung dumating ka sa buhay ko, sobrang gaan. Sobrang gaan ng lahat.
Abigail, mahal ko, long before that simple Facebook message about a bag, God was already writing this moment.
Good afternoon, brothers and sisters and friends. We gather here today with our God to witness and to celebrate the union of David and Abby, a holy Christian marriage.
This day, this promise, and this life with you, I will never forget.
With you, I realized love isn't supposed to feel desperate or dramatic. It's not supposed to fix you or save you. Love with the right person feels like breathing easier, laughing louder, and finally sleeping in peace.
I used to see all your Facebook stories. Every memory you chose to keep. Every small moment you refused to let fade. And now I understand why. Because some things are too beautiful to forget. And you are the most beautiful thing that has ever happened to me.
Ang pag-ibig talagang may kasamang sakripisyo. Both of you, sa inyong pagsasama, darating ang napakadaming taon. But always remember this first element. Mahalaga na lagi kayo napupuno ng pag-ibig sa isa't isa.
I promise to love you unconditionally through every high and every hard season. I'll be right there beside you, holding your hand, cheering you on, and being your biggest fan.
We may forget the little things, but I promise you this. I will never forget who you are to me.
Excited ako. Excited ako na makita niya ako. I mean, nakikita niya naman ako everyday, pero wearing this, hindi pa.
Standing in front of you, crying my eyes out. Not because I was lost and you found me, but because my life was already whole. And somehow you made it even more beautiful.
And because you stayed, I stand here a better man. Not perfect, but growing because of your love.
I promise to keep loving with you through the big moments. I want us to find joy everywhere together. Bebed, today I choose you. I will keep choosing you every single day because the life I thought was enough before, it doesn't even come close to the life I get to live with you.
So here is my promise. I will choose you always. In joy and in hardship, in clarity and in confusion, in abundance and in lack. I will be your safe place.
You make my life so easy and bearable. And if I forget that, please remind me this moment how sure I am, how full my heart is, and how crazy I am with you, and I wouldn't change a thing.
I will never forget what we are building. And I will never forget the covenant we are making before God today. I love you, Abigail, now, tomorrow and always. You're unforgettable. Unforgettable. That's what you are. Unforgettable.
David Antonio Capello Capiola, mahal na mahal kita sa tunay na kahulugan. Samahan at gabayan naman tayo ng Panginoon sa ating pagsasama. Patawarin mo ako sa mga panahon na nagkukulang ako sa iyo at napapasama akong kalooban mo. Naway maging kalakasan kita sa lahat ng kahinaan ko at pinapangako ko na ako ang kalakasan mo sa mga kahinaan mo. Salamat sa Diyos sa buhay mo.
Unforgettable.